Hello world, Passport Kenny checking in. If you're currently tuned into the video, I want to say thank you so much for your time. It is deeply appreciated. And if you somehow enjoy your time here, consider dragging that cursor of yours to that big red tab to my bottom left and subscribe. Just a word of advice, if you're planning on using a lens that utilizes the focus by wire system, you may have a tricky time achieving smooth results. I highly suggest using a manual focusing lens in which the focusing properties are physical, whether they be internal or external. I personally like using Canon or Samyang lenses as well as vintage lenses as they are budget friendly and have some great character. Although this isn't a detailed review, my investment into the MOZA iFOCUS wireless system has definitely been well worth it. One of the main advantages is that it can be used as a standalone system, which means you do not need a MOZA Air Cross or MOZA gimbal in order for it to function. So I just mount it onto the cage of my Fuji X-T3 and simply go from there. Now, being in the process currently of creating my own short film, having focus sit in my hands gives me not only more control, obviously, but definitely gives me more creative leeway in the ways that I can tell my story and pull the attention of my viewers. But of course, we do live in a world where the IQ of autofocus is getting more stronger and stronger across all systems. So both approaches definitely have their advantages and should be used whenever they can contribute to your visual or to your storyline. Now, this is not a sponsored video. I did work like 2 overtimes in order to afford this unit, which does sit at $300 US, which could be a bit steep for some people. I am aware that there are some cheaper alternatives, although it will still probably run you upwards of $100 to $150 or more. I'm not too sure, as I have not been able to test other wireless focus units aside from this one. I personally like the MOZA iFOCUS, and it's been teaching me a lot of things. It's just about taking time and patience and planning out focal points and things like that. So anyways, it is a beautiful afternoon in New York City. I will be on my way to getting some more test footage for grading exercises. Please leave me a message in the comment section down below as to whether you prefer manual or autofocus, especially if you're a hybrid shooter just like myself who does both stills and video. Well, anyways, that about does it for this one. Always remember, where there is a will, there is a wayfarer. Until next time, Passport Kenny, checking out. And yes, I disagree.